This is a new mode in November. All the orders after from November will use this mode. The size tolerance is better than before, but you have a little bit tolerance. See, this is 500. It's about 1 mm extra. This side is see, just 500. This side is about 1 mm less. This side is also about 1 mm less. This side is about 2 mm extra. This side is also about 2 mm extra. This side is just 500. This side is also 500.